Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix unable to initialize GPU in DaVinci Resolve. So there could be more than one reason why it's happening, but let's start with the first one and the most common one. You want to go ahead, open up your start menu, write down settings and open your settings, then press on system, press on display, and then scroll down until you will see graphics. On graphics, you want to go ahead and add DaVinci Resolve right there. So you need to press add a desktop app, just like so. And now you want to go ahead and locate your DaVinci Resolve. So you're just gonna choose your PC, local disk, and then program files. And then you will see Blackmagic Design. So you want to go ahead and open it, and again, open DaVinci Resolve. After that, go ahead and scroll almost to the bottom of the page where you will see the resolve.exe. You want to press add, then you want to press on it. And on GPU preference, you want to choose high performance. So make sure you choose that. Now, if you have opened your DaVinci Resolve and it still didn't fix the issue, another one could be your graphics drivers. So you can check your graphic drivers on Device Manager near display adapters right there, and you can go ahead and press update the driver. But if your drivers are already installed, you want to go ahead and open up your NVIDIA app if you're using NVIDIA graphics or AMD application, and just install the latest drivers manually. So you're just gonna go on the app of your graphics card, then you're gonna press drivers, and here you will see studio driver and game ready driver. You want to go ahead and install them both. That still didn't fix the issue, and maybe you have recently updated your DaVinci Resolve, or maybe you have a really old version. You can just go ahead and try to download older version or just update your DaVinci Resolve. So first of all, you're gonna go again to the settings, or you can just write down on your start menu installed apps and open your installed applications. Then find DaVinci Resolve and uninstall it. After you will uninstall it, you can go to the browser, write down DaVinci Resolve, and go to their page of Blackmagic Design. After that, you can go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page, press on Support Center, DaVinci Resolve and Fusion software, and here you will see latest downloads. So you can actually go ahead and download the latest version, or you can download older version of DaVinci Resolve and see if that fixed your issue. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.